Yeah, so now what we want to do is we're going to go, and we're actually going to pull down their code. We're going to clone their code, and let's look at the build steps.
See if they have contributing steps. I mean, I guess. Did you see it contributing here? I didn't see.
Yeah, I was like,
Right
just
here.
look
Cool.
for it. It's probably a README of some sort.
Development, yarn
Yarn start,
start,
yep.
obviously. You can check out the examples in the docs.
Right. Yep, we just took a look at those.
They have a roadmap. Make sure the issue is open. Okay, yeah, just generic stuff here. Okay, really, it's just running yarn start. So
Yep, that's how we get that
nothing here. I just
started.
wanted. They have flow. They don't. I
Do
just
they,
wanted to see if they had tests.
they use Cypress.
Okay, that makes sense.
I don't know if they have anything else.
Oh, here we go. Oh wait, no, that's
No,
just the
it's
same
just,
thing.
yep.
All right, let me go ahead and pull it. Did you run yarn start from here though?
Mm-hmm.
Let's check.
And then I see Jess there as well.
There we go. Yep. Some tests, coverage. That's good.
Yep.
CD doc. Oh, they go into the docs and run start here. Interesting.
Oh, so it must be they use the website as an example.
Okay. Wonder if they have it where you can.
Oh, can
It
you?
looks like it's a separate package. I wonder if they use a multi-package thing. Let's see what this says to build.
Mm-hmm.
I keep skipping it, I think. Oh no, it's just the
No.
library. It doesn't have a start. Okay, well,
Interesting.
let's try it out. Let's just see if we can hack it a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, so
Well, so you can,
sorry.
yeah, just kind of explain it. So you can, I mean, there's a few
Oh
things
yeah,
you can do here. You can just copy it and add .git at the end. You can use HTTPS or you can use SSH if you have that set up. There's plenty of ways to do this. Usually you can just do code, copy the URL, and then go straight to your whatever terminal command line of choice.
yep. All right, let me see if I'm. See, yeah, that's what I messed up on. I knew it was much easier to get here. All right, so let's just go ahead and clone it here. So I'm just going to run git clone. I'm going to paste this.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That's the command.
Cool.
It'll download everything for the. Now you have an exact replica of what's in GitHub.
Yep. All right, so we're going to go in here. We're just going to open it up with code. Okay, and close this playground out. There's also a way that we can link a package,
Mm-hmm.
which is an interesting thing to think about, but maybe that's a future. But we could basically link a package we're working on, and then in our other project, it would see this. It would pull the code from this package. So as we make changes, it would reflect in the other project.
Right.
So, all right. So let's just run yarn install because they have a yarn lock file.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just, obviously from the documentation we learned they have yarn. So we're just going to do that to get things installed. So I'm just going to run yarn.
And you can see what we were talking about earlier. There's package managers just handles dependencies. You can use yarn. They have npm in here as well.
Yeah.
And it simplifies all the commands you have to remember is really what it is.
Let's pull it up just if you don't know. So here we go. Here's the docs for yarn.
Mm-hmm.
And you should probably know this by now if you're going through React stuff. If you don't, we can do some tutorials, and there's plenty of tutorials online to learn React. But yeah, so this is the Yarn website, and I haven't looked at it in forever. But basically, let's just go to usage.
Yeah.
What I did was I ran yarn install, but you don't have to type install. You can just run yarn, and it's going to install all the dependencies. So it's going to pull down all the packages that they use.
And what we did earlier was yarn add, and then our package, which just adds whatever dependency to your project.
Exactly. All right, let me just go through the source code while this is still running.
Yeah, so these are, the question is, so are these, it looks like they might have like a little playground with all these examples in it, which is awesome.
See, it's already importing the built package though, so I'm wondering how we can like run it with hacking the new stuff. That's what I'm confused about.
Go to, yeah, that's a good question. Go to typing, no, source. Yeah, packages, React select. Yeah, interesting.
Yeah, but I want to know how if I make a change in here, I can see the reflection. So
Yeah, I
how are they
gotcha.
importing it?
Can you go to the package JSON?
Well, yeah, that's what I did online. There's no
Yeah.
starting because it's just a library.
Right. Is there? I mean, is there start is there start in the root that
Yeah.
links?
Oh, it just goes into the docs and then runs the docs.
We did something along these lines where yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah,
We
let's see if
did
there's any
something along
linking
these
here.
lines that was building, that would watch and build for us.
Yeah. Let's see. Well, let's see what their Cypress tests do because maybe that'll show it. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like maybe we just need to link it
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let
and
me
then
pull
use
up.
it in our other project. All right, let's see. I mean, I think that's what we're gonna have to do because I don't see any way that they have. You know, you're gonna want to visually do it. You know, I understand people want to do TDD, but we're not gonna. We're gonna do this and then TDD.
Right. Yeah.
All right, let's look at the test for Cypress and see how the Cypress boots it up. Actually, let's see. They visit the base URL. Interesting. Cypress JSON. They host the Cypress test here somehow. So they must
Interesting.
build a little website.
Mm-hmm.
And they build that website.
What is pre-construct?
Where?
So if we look at the scripts in the package JSON, there's a build and a watch, and then it uses something called pre-construct watch.
Okay.
And pre-construct says dev and build your code painlessly in monorepos, and I think that might be what we're talking about.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's look what that is. I'm surprised that do they not have that
I was about
documented?
to, I was about to say, I was like, maybe we can contribute and just say how to get started.
Yeah, exactly. This might be a good documentation that they're missing here. Let's see,
Let's see if they.
issues. I don't know what this is. But yeah, I mean, we could just do documents like how to watch changes. I mean, I'm going to do the yarn link in a second here if we can't figure it out.
Use so they okay. So they were using
Let's
NPS.
let's see what this is. Pre-construct.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Do
okay,
GitHub.
right. Yeah. Here we go. Dev and build your code painlessly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. Publishing package. Okay, let's see. Okay, I guess we can try this.
Yep.
All right, so building your first package. We're going to build a package that exports a random number. Okay. Initialize it. Add some stuff here. You can run. Oh wait, I bet this does a linking right here.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I think we're getting at here.
Okay,
Publishing.
wait. I don't know. I feel like this is just a build. This.
Well, so look for watch. They have a command that says watch, so I'm
Okay. There's a
assuming.
dictionary.
Yeah.
No. Oh, commands. Duh. Watch.
Similar to pre-construct build, except instead of doing a single build, it starts to watch and rebuild the project whenever there are changes.
For sure, what it says to use dev.
Oh,
Oh, symlinks. Here we go.
there
Yep.
you go.
Symbolically links it into the distribute folders. That's exactly what I was talking about.
Well, so that's interesting. It's also maybe we create an issue. Hey, use dev instead of watch because
They have it right here.
it's a post install though.
Didn't I just run install?
Created link. It says right there, info project is valid. Success created link.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. So is it already working?
Is
But
it?
it's not watching it.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah. Let's just run.
just
Let's.
run post.
All right. You know
install.
what? Let's just run. Let's just start it. Why don't we just start it? We should have just done that first.
We should. Yeah, I mean, we're getting ahead of ourselves trying to figure out every
Yeah.
single thing.
Let's just see what it does when we start it.
Yeah. There is a point where you have to trust that somebody has it building somewhere and they're using the same commands as us.
I still want to see, like, I still feel like this would be nice. I mean, that's why we're doing this video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So, hold on. Let's start at the home. Let's do the getting started.
Yep.
See, what's also confusing to me is that, oh, I guess I copied from this getting started, but
Yeah.
they have a single right here. Wow, that looks like a big single. That's
Well, they've added checkboxes in it as well.
like they don't have the
Oh.
example for this one published, but
Oh, yeah, right. I see what you're saying.
okay. Well, anyway, let's change some code and see if it links. I mean, I'm
Okay.
not seeing why it would link, but let's just try.
Right.
All
Well,
right,
so
so
now
let's.
it looks like it's yeah. No, I didn't see a link in there actually. Unless it's
Yeah, let's see. Yarn start just runs yarn start inside the docs. I guess
Mhm.
the docs folder could have something.
I think we just looked at this though.
Yeah, I think we did too.
Start. What's this?
It's just a Webpack server.
What's this? Force extract React types.
It's probably for Flow maybe.
We do need to find out what Flow is doing in here.
All right, let's try this real quick. All right, so let's go into the code. Let's make a big change to see if something happens.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so oh yeah, see, okay, so I guess I need to install Flow. I don't know how to use Flow. I usually use TypeScript, so obviously all these errors are because of that.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the base. Select a base.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go into there. We're gonna have to figure out Flow because.
Foof.
All right, so my first thing whenever I look at a component, just because it's React, is I'm gonna look for the render function.
I think you just.
There's a
paused it.
bunch of them.
Yeah.
So hold on. Let's see. There's got to be the basic render function though.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
There she is.
This is kind of a lot of code in one item, but that's
yeah,
fine.
It's probably close to 2,000 lines.
Yep. All right. You know what? I'm just going to. Yeah. Let's just log in the console.
Yeah. See if we can get something. I'm sure.
I can also try to do a breakpoint in a second.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Hey, look! I made a change.
Oh, so it is okay.
Okay, so
I think we need to learn a little bit more about Yarn too.
Yeah, maybe there's some linking going on. I mean, it's got look, we changed. It worked. Yay!
Great. Okay.
We hacked it.
We did hack it together. We have it running.
We have it running.